let's go ahead and use 3 6-sided dice to create any 3-digit number. Here we're focusing on explaining what each digit of a 3-digit number represents. Now, oftentimes it's asked how many 10s are there? There's 3 10s. How many 1s are there? There's 6 1s. There's one group of 100. Let's take it a little bit further with a little bit more engagement for this standard here. So let's write 136. And we really want to understand what each one of these means. So here we have, if we need a little bit of scaffolding for students to write hundreds, tens, ones, this usually is on top. Students would write one group of 100. That represents 100. 3 groups of 10. That represents 30. 6 groups of 1s, I'm purposely keeping this separate so it does not look like 60, represents 6. When we add them together, we have 136. Now, I'm setting it up this way for a couple reasons. Number 1, we see the value. Number 2, this is going to feed into second grade standard of NBT 3 on expanded form. 100 plus 30 plus 6. That equals 136. Okay? So this can be taken to another level, so to speak, with higher numbers using 6-sided dice. You could do the exact same concept under a dot cam, getting students engaged. Now, maybe this time they all have their whiteboards. They have 9 groups of 100. The value is 900. 1 group of 10. The value is 10. 7 groups of 1. The value is 7. Okay? I like to use playing cards. And students at this point, they've had practice, they can go to their desk, they can get out a piece of paper, create any 3-digit number. If they want to move these around, that's completely fine. You as a teacher can be walking around looking at their paper, because what they're going to do is they're going to write on their paper 264, and they would write 2 groups of 100. That is the value of 200. 6 groups of 10 has a value of 60. 4 groups of 1 has a value of 4. And that is 264. So here, as students are writing this out, you can walk around as the teacher, asking them to explain what this is. And you can see by their papers, you can walk around and really get a very quick, rough estimate, kind of a very quick, informal assessment of students' understanding of what each value of the digit means. All right, enjoy.